Hello and welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Thanks for tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you always get notification when new videos are coming up. For lick 5, we're back in the first position. The scale goes like this. The lick goes so the first part is almost like a pentatonic run. Okay, but they're all notes of the Phrygian scale, obviously. We go from E5 to E8. Then we go from A5 to A7. Then we do a slide with our index finger from D5 to D7. Okay, can do a little bit of vibrato there if you have time. And then we'll do this little run down here. Second part, we're going to pull off with our pinky from E8 to E5, go to B8, back to E5, then we're going to pull off from B8 to B5. Okay, and then we end up on G7. But we bend there, so G7 and a bend, full bend up, and a vibrato. So the third part are a series of hammer-on and pull-offs, legato style. So here I'm going to play it. The first one in this series is on the 5th fret with a hammer-on the 6th fret B string. The next one is on the 6th fret with a hammer-on the 8th, on the B string. The next one is on the 8th fret with a hammer-on the 10th, B string. And the last one is on the 10th fret with the hammer-on the 11th.